So today I am cleaning a box fan that's 15 years old. It's pretty windy out here. And I am not going to sand the rust that's inside the box fan, nor am I going to paint it. What I did do is you take the grids off. The grids are front and back. And you want to undo the screws, which I did do. And then you spray it with a cleaner. You can use Crud Cutter or Dawn and Vinegar. Whatever will wet these grids. You can soak them in the bathtub. I prefer not to. And I'm just going to saturate these and just let them sit for a while. Then I'm going to put the fan down. This is a plastic fan blade, so I'm not afraid to touch the blades. And you spray the front and the back. And you wipe it off. Now I'll tell you, the back is pretty gross. And that's what happens. It can happen after a year. You can use paper towels, but I don't like to waste paper products. I just use an old rag. Don't spray the motor, because then you'll be doomed. But regular maintenance is essential to keeping these, and obviously this is 15 years old. I take a dry brush, these kind of brushes, any kind of brush. I take a dry brush and I just go one way in the fan to get rid of the dust. If you go back and forth, it gets down in there, the dust. You can take a hair dryer and blow it out if you had an extra pair of hands while you're brushing it. Yeah, I guess you could use that air in a can spray as well. But I always think the air in a can is going to blow the debris farther into the motor, whether it's laptops or any kind of fan. I see some of it coming out. This is going to help it rotate better. So I sprayed off the grids after I brushed them, and I ended up spray painting the inside and removing the rust. It was white and rusty. And you see how nice and clean it is. It's going to work great. And I let the paint dry. I sprayed it black inside. It doesn't show the dirt as much, or the dust. So don't let this discourage you. Don't be using screwdrivers with paper towels in the grids to clean off the dust. Don't use baby bottle brushes or any of the brush stuff. Just unscrew the screws of back and front and scrub them with a brush and spray cleaner. And I use the hose out back here to hose it off. And I wiped off the fan blades as well. So clean air is important to me. But I don't want the dust flying around. Who does? Even though this fan is 15 years old, there is a broken slat here. That's no big thing. Just take off the grids and clean it once a year. And thank you for watching.